Welcome back, guys, to another live session. And I am currently looking at Tesla because you can see the pre-market is actually quite high. So straight away it will open in the overbought region. So that might present us with some opportunity to short the market. So yes, that will be interesting open. Let's see a few seconds remaining. Then we will see how the market responds at this market open. Yeah, we can see that market has opened quite high, so straight away we will open a short, target this range, adjust the stop loss a little bit. Yeah, and then we will hope that it will try to close the gap, and that is the time. Same you can see with NASDAQ open. It's an open. You can see this all this gap, so aggressive open on the market. Gold not doing much. Oil showed very nice moves today, so it has pumped a lot already. Euro USD pumping also. Ethereum showing moves also. Of course, the market open towards the upside. That is the reason why we are seeing all this movement. But yeah, very aggressive open on the market, on Tesla especially. 122.3. Let's see if it is able to continue this upward movement, or it will come down to test lower levels first. Gold is stuck in this range, so it is now making a bear flag pattern, so there is a chance of going down further. If that happens, then maybe this area we might look at opening some long position here. Yeah, still trying to hold above 250. Euro US dollar also very aggressive open. Now we are seeing that the market is trying to come down, which is good. Let's take a look at Tesla. Still stuck at this 122 roughly. This is where it is stuck right now. So once again, yeah, we are just trying to target this market open, all this gap that was there. This is all we are trying to target. Not trying to be too aggressive, but just above the moving averages, all this gap that was there, just we are trying to target this. Even NASDAQ, we can see it is trying to close the gap. So yes, if we try to look at this, and something of this sort is happening since yesterday. Let's see now, 121. Okay, gold struggling also. So let's see, maybe we will be able to come down till the moving averages and maybe try to bounce from this part of the channel. So yeah, let's see, maybe this area might be interesting to open some long position. Oil coming down to test the 50 moving average. Yeah, rejection on Euro USD also. Okay, it is trying to bounce from this part of the channel, top part of the channel. Yeah, trying to stay above 121. Let's check dollar index. Yeah, big drop, and trying to recover from there. So we are seeing the market trying to push forward towards 250. Again below 121 for Tesla. We are targeting 119.3 roughly. This is what the target is. Gold is stuck in the range, no major move. Oil is showing some correction, but if you look at this, so this is a bear flag, a bull flag pattern that is forming. So there is a chance that we might pump again towards the $77 mark. But overall, very nice push. Look at this, how much? 3.5%. So big push happened already. Yeah, now trying to go 250. Trying to bounce from the top part of this channel. Once again, interesting area would be somewhere here near the moving average or this area top part. So these two can be interesting areas, this one for the short and this one for the long. For now we are short on Tesla because the market opened with a gap towards the upside, so we are hoping that it will try to come down. Look at this, all this range is resistance, so maybe it will drop down towards the moving averages, try to close the gap. That is when we might take some profit. We can see NASDAQ pushing forward, trying to go back towards 270. And Tesla is of course back to 122. Gold showing some weakness now. Just look at this drop that is happening right now. So yeah, this range is interesting for gold. So we have to keep an eye. If we reach here, then maybe we can go long from here. Yeah, from this part we can go long. Trying to target somewhere around here, not a lot. Stop loss somewhere here. Price is pushing upwards. Bitcoin 17,412. Oil testing the 50 moving average in green. So yes, it is trying to pump now. So 300 might be a nice area, being a whole number. This might be a nice area to open a short position at 300, somewhere around here. Try to target this point. Stop loss somewhere here. So let's see if we're able to reach that point or not. On Tesla, stop loss sitting at 123.7 roughly. Again, we are seeing some weakness on gold. Yeah, Tesla is just stuck in this range for now, not moving much. Let's see if we are able to go 11,300 on the NASDAQ or not. we are seeing again that the price is not able to cross 122.5. Ethereum also struggling at the moving averages, saw a nice pump from here from 1329. So this is roughly how much? 0.3%. Now starting to struggle around the moving average. Similar thing happening with Bitcoin also. Okay, there is a wick towards 1873.24, so just missed this by $1 almost. So a wick towards the downside and we will catch this trade hopefully. Another wick we saw. Just looking for that strong action towards the downside to pick up some long position on gold. Yeah, hopefully we will see a wick towards the downside. Tesla again falling below 121. Yes, we are seeing downward pressure, but we just need a little bit more so that we can open our long here. Looks like oil is trying to come down to 76. Being a whole number, maybe it will try to test that area. Another wick we saw over here, so hopefully we will see a nice catch of this point. Another near miss you can see missed by a few cents only. So we are seeing some volatile action, so that is good for us. Again, we are just hoping for that one wick towards the downside so we can reach our trade can get open by then. Tesla again struggling around 121. NASDAQ trying to push forward again. We are ready to open a short at 11,300. And we are waiting for a long on gold. So yeah, still you can see it's missed by a few cent only, maybe 20 cent. So we just need that 1 week and this will open. Then we'll try to target all this consolidation area here as our take profit. Ethereum tried to go above the 200 moving average, failing over there. NASDAQ again rejecting from 275. 300 bringing a whole number can be one of the areas of interest for short positions. Again we see this action and maybe missed by 5 cent or 2 cents, something like this. So yeah, very close, we were very close to this. Let's just wait and see what happens. Hopefully we will catch this wick, and that is exactly what we are trying to do. And again NASDAQ still trying to test 275, trying to go above that now. Main target again 11,300, that is where we are trying to open a short position. Another near miss on gold, so let's see. Tesla finding some support on 120.7 roughly, 120.6, somewhere around that number. Oil trying to pump a little bit, but like I mentioned before that we are actually inside this channel and this is a bull flag channel, so we might see a breakout. So maybe we will come down to test 76 one time and from there we might see a pump back to a 77. That is possible, so we have to keep an eye on this price action. Okay, now we got that wick, so our trade is open. Will be interesting to see how price reacts in this region, and we are seeing very strong downward pressure form right now. Let's talk about Tesla again. Yeah, 121.3. NASDAQ not happening much. So yeah, we caught that wick, so that is good for us. Now question is, will it continue pumping upwards or no? As you can see, we are trying to target the area of consolidation, all this action over here. Once again oil getting rejected from the top part of this channel. Looks like it will try to go towards $76 before pumping more. Yeah, gold is trying to pump from this point, so that is good. Again, we are just targeting this consolidation area here. We are not trying to be too aggressive. NASDAQ touching 280, so yes, we are continuing upwards towards the 300 mark, and that will be a good area, one of the good areas to open a short position. So let's see, 15 points remaining. Yes, gold is trying to bounce from here, so that is good for us. Euro USD continuing its push upwards, and as you can see, even if I scroll a lot to the left, there is not much action. So yes, once again giving us a nice opportunity to open a short position here. Not being too aggressive, trying to target the moving averages. So yes, let's see, what about gold? Gold trying to pump again. Take profit is at 1876.3 roughly. Ethereum showing some upward move also, so that is good. Got rejected again. Yeah, again we are seeing strong downward action. So yes, the reason you can see the reason. Look at all this action. Nice support in this area. Price tries to bounce from here, and that is what we are hoping for, that happens this time also. Even if this one hits a stop loss, it might be worth entering another trade. So this has hit the stop loss, so maybe worth entering another long here. Same thing, trying to target this range. Stop loss somewhere around here. Bitcoin reclaiming 17,400. So nice pump on Bitcoin from 380 to 426.26%. Tesla still above 121. Let's take a look at gold. Yes, trying to pump from this area. So support is available in this area. So let's see if we are able to pump from here or not. Just targeting this area over here, just the start of all this consolidation that happened. So not trying to be too aggressive towards the moving averages, just trying to target this area where the consolidation was happening. DXY dropping also. So we saw this wick towards 76.04. So yeah, roughly this area, $76. This is interesting area, and maybe from here the price might try to pump forward. Some rejection happening on the NASDAQ. And our short is open on Euro USD also. Again struggling to really push forward. Facing rejection from 430, creating double top over here. So yes, for now I will keep all these trades open, and then I will see how many of them hit take profit and how many hit stop loss. If you are also doing day trading, then please learn about risk management, and hopefully see you guys tomorrow also.